Hey everyone, this is Dr. Dolopo, elementsinharmonyacupuncture.com, and today we're going to talk about breech presentation, two specific cases, very short and sweet. Both of these cases, both mommies, I turned the baby in 2 treatments. So there's one testimonial and one case study. I'll read the testimonial first, 2 different cases. Let's go to, let me see, I believe I have now 295 plus Yelp reviews, and the most recent one is not a breech presentation. It's about fertility. But if you go to Elements in Harmony Acupuncture and Chinese Herbs on Yelp in the Laguna Hills, you'll see I think 219 reviews are showing, but it's more like 295. Yelp doesn't keep them all showing unless you pay them. So I copied and pasted all of them on my websites. I'm on my 3rd one at elementsinharmonyacupuncture.com. I'm so grateful to share my 25th year in practice. So here is a testimonial. It's by Sophie. She lives in Orange County, and she gave me so generously a 5-star review. I was referred to Dr. Dolopo after finding out my baby was breech at 33 weeks. I tried all the exercises of turning baby around at home for 2 weeks, but the baby was still breech at my 35-week checkup. That's when I decided to give acupuncture a try before preparing myself for a C-section. I went twice, Thursday and Saturday of the same week. When I came to my 36-week checkup, the baby had turned. Honestly, I didn't feel any major movements inside my belly, so I wasn't expecting any good news. The baby stayed head down since then, so I was able to have a vaginal delivery. The nurse at the triage room asked me if I did anything to make the baby flip. When I told her acupuncture, she said that's the only thing she heard that actually worked for many people. If baby is in breech position, really bothers you, I would recommend to give acupuncture a try. It's not guaranteed to work, but this can be your last resort. So thanks, Sophie. One thing that I would say is don't let acupuncture be your last resort. I've been studying Chinese medicine since 1994. I started practice in 1999, and I just started my 25th year in practice. So I can tell you, many people come here, they want me to save a limb, they want to prevent surgery, they want, get off this particular medication under the guidance of their doctor, and this is their last resort. This really should be your first resort. So I'll just leave it at that. Just go to elementsinharmonyacupuncture.com. These days I'm treating a lot of challenging cases. Just to name a few, got rid of migraine with a brain hemorrhage. That's a big deal. People with stage 4 kidney disease. That's a big deal. Platelet counts, white blood cell counts, thyroid issues, wanting to save a leg. We'll see what happens with that. But so far, that patient said he's feeling better. So, I'm not promising anything. I have a particular protocol on what we can do. But these days, I hear that a lot. Let's wait till, let acupuncture be your last resort. This should not be your last resort. I've been receiving acupuncture since 1994, and I was 20, and I'm now 49. And, I think acupuncture does a lot of greatness for me. I've been able to train jiu-jitsu now for 11 years. My fingers are perfect. No arthritis. Last week I had a little bit of a knee issue. I fixed it in 3 treatments. I didn't wait till the last resort. I fixed it immediately. So, anyways, that is that person's testimonial. There is a mommy that I think she's like 39 weeks now, and we're helping her prepare for her birth. Her doctor wants to induce her this Friday. So, he wants me to get the baby out, this OBGYN. So that she doesn't have to be induced. Well, anyway, she came in June. Today is July 17. In June, she came in about 4 weeks ago or so, and the baby was breech. So when she came in to help start the labor or prepare her for birth just a few days ago, I saw that she had come June 12 and June 14. And I said, how'd you do? She said, you turned the baby in 2 treatments. So that's 2 for 2. Turn the baby. And You'll see some of my advertisements saying that I specialize in the most challenging fertility and pregnancy care cases. Placenta Previa, I probably have a 95+% success rate. Low lying, partial, complete, marginal, name it. I have a pretty good success rate when it comes to Placenta Previa. I just shared on Facebook the screenshot. I kept her anonymous, but mommy said thank you, because without you, I would have had a C-section. So let's just go to that person really fast. I'll tell you how many treatments it took. I might have done a video on this. I can't remember right off the top of my head. I did share her testimonial. It is on Yelp. And actually, while I'm here, I might as well read it. Let's see. It is missing already. So if you go to elementsinharmonyacupuncture.com, fertility, pregnancy, birth, and you scroll down, you'll see Placenta Previa, partial. That's the 2023. This is Yelp 293 plus. Kennedy wrote 5 stars, June 28, 2023. Dr. Anna Dolopo was recommended to me for acupuncture by my midwife, and I started seeing her in April when I was about 23 weeks pregnant due to having a partial placenta previa. This is my second pregnancy, and it's very important to me to have another home birth. Because of my placenta previa and placenta being less than 2 centimeters away from my cervix, I did not qualify for a home birth and would have to schedule a C-section by 38 weeks. My placenta was less than 1 centimeter away from my cervix when I started my acupuncture journey. With Dr. Dolopo, and now at 33 weeks, it is 2.3 centimeters away. My husband and I couldn't be more grateful for Dr. Dolopo for helping me achieve my goal for qualifying for another home birth. She is truly an amazing doctor with great talent in her medical field. I would highly recommend anyone with a similar journey as me or any other pregnant mommy who needs a miracle. Dr. Dolopo is extremely kind, gentle, positive, and made me feel confident in her care. Do yourself a favor and schedule an appointment with her. You won't regret it. Thank you so much, Dr. Dolopo, for all that you do. I appreciate you. So I wanted to read that whole testimonial because mommies, there are a lot of pregnant mommies out there, and you may already be scheduling placenta, a C-section due to complete, partial, marginal, low-lying placenta, and they won't let you have a home birth or vaginal birth because it's too risky. Well, guess what? Here in Laguna Hills, I have elementsinharmonyacupuncture.com. I have a team here, and I also counsel the women who work with me, the amazing doctors that work with me. We typically are available 6 to 7 days a week. I'm off Wednesdays and Sundays. We can help you. I'll just go to elementsinharmonyacupuncture.com, go to fertility, pregnancy, birth, and I'll show you just, there are not too many placenta previa cases that I count. If you go down, just on this website alone, placenta previa complete 2012, placenta previa complete 2020, placenta previa complete 2021, placenta previa marginal 2020. We'll just call it PP. PP marginal to full term, PP marginal partial, PP 6 centimeters, PP cases. I mean, it's just, it's amazing to me just how powerful acupuncture can be. This is all acupuncture. No herbs, no massage. It's all acupuncture. So I hope that helps. Have a great day. If your baby is breech, if you want to. My last 2 patients tonight, one was a breech presentation. So hopefully we take care of it today and tomorrow because she has an ECV. I believe that's what it's called. They're going to schedule it on a Wednesday morning. So hopefully we get the job done. I would normally want up to 10 treatments, but it is what it is. She just found out on Friday. Today is Monday. So we'll see what magic could be done today and tomorrow. And I have another patient who, she's ready to have her baby and her doctor's ready for her to deliver. And, I think the midwives at the hospital are ready for her to deliver. So we'll see what magic happens. So if you have a pregnancy-related case, Check us out at elementsinharmonyacupuncture.com. You can call 949-305-1703. My landline always goes to my cell phone. You can text this number anytime, 619-341-4341. It is my work number. If you need me, if you need our healing team, Pam Cower is a licensed acupuncturist. Dr. Shodai Omidi is a doctor of acupuncture and oriental medicine, a licensed acupuncturist. She's also a certified prosthetist and orthotist, and she's also an MBA. Very talented women that I work with. Dr. Hope Lynn will be leaving us after July 25. She works Tuesdays and Sundays. She will return spring 2024, and she's a doctor of acupuncture and Chinese medicine and licensed acupuncturist. She's such a sweetheart. All these three women that work with me are amazing. And we also have a fabulous neuromuscular sports massage therapist, Nicole Davidson. Gave her 3 babies. She's fantastic in her field. I've been a massage therapist since 1996, so I'm really picky with the body work done to me. She's been in practice for over 20 years as a massage therapist and a neuromuscular sports therapist. Super talented, one of the best in the country. I strongly recommend her. If you want to schedule with any of the doctors or myself, schedule online. If you want to schedule with Nicole, text me directly and we'll set up a time with you. All right, have a great day. Take care.